Hi, are you ready to learn some new words? In this video, you will learn some words related to one base word. The base word in this video is form. Here are some words related to the base word. Formal, formation, formed, farmer, farming, conform, deformed, inform, information, perform, reform, transformed. Now learn how to use each word in a sentence. The digital form is very easy to use. They had a formal office dinner. The formation of the cadets was flawless. My friends and I formed a conversation circle. I saw my former classmate today. Rain clouds are forming in the sky. For your safety, only use products that conform to health standards. The illness deformed his toe. You should inform the police about the collision. You can visit their website for more information. The doctors had to perform surgery immediately. The housing laws are overdue for reform. The old factory will be transformed into housing. Now let's review. Formal, formation, formed, farmer, farming, conform, deformed, inform, information, perform, reform, transformed. If you want to continue improving your reading and writing and gain more confidence, then don't forget, subscribe.